so hollow, and I couldn't handle it. So I called a couple of friends and a caring specialist.
Huwag ka magtago, Jen! Huwag ba kami?
Wala, baba kayo!
Dito tayo, dito tayo. Asawa ko yan. Kami.
Kasi kami...
Dapat!
Ano yan eh?
Ang mahal nyo, malapit na JM!
Ano order?
JM, ang nagsulat! JM, pwede na matigan!
JM!
JM!
Video.
Denmark.
Walang kapita. Nakasarado. Bigay mo na.
Denmark. Picture ko yung mamit ka, Romen. Denmark. Denmark. Denmark.
Bigay din. I feel good.
Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find
Idol talaga si Mama Aya.
Yes, Aryan Duca at Only Do here they go.
Anong collagen? Meron akong ginagamit collagen.
Collagen. Wow, wow. Oh. Take a photo. Screenshot. Screenshot yung mukha ni ano. Ito naman, nakaganyan po.
Nakapadaeli lang kasi ako, ma.
May video ka ni Kyle. I have video of Kyle. Napinsit niya ako. Thank you, Ate.
Ang ganda ng hair. Paturo po ako, Miss Aryan.
Miss Aryan is the best hairstylist. One of the best hairstylists.
Yes, idol ng mga idol. Idol ng Pinas.
Idol ng Pinas, kilala sa Pasig.
Yes.
Pinas International and local.
Number one.
Hindi na po si Miss A yung
first impression ko kay Kuya JM, ano, yan matapang. Tapos nung nakilala ko na, ano, super bait pala.
Where's Kuya Jay? Ngayon ba ang dating ng passport, Kuya?
Oo, gusto ko po si Kuya. Maging manugang ko. Since pong na-meet ko si Mac Daniel Ibarra, hindi po ako nailang sa kanya ever since. Mabait po siyang tao.
Very genuine po si JM. Kaya nagustuhan siya ng daddy ni Piang.
Pinagaysahan na NJIAND ba?
There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day.